Protective devices are necessary of protective devices. Protective devices ensure safety, reliability, and continuous operation of electrical system. Uh, Protective devices ensure safety, reliability, and continuous operation of electrical systems to reduce the damage and maintenance cost and accident risk. Common electrical plots are overload, short circuit, and earth plot. Protective device operate automatically during abnormal conditions. Point safety of human life, a one-line detailed explanation. Protective devices protect the people from electrical shocks, burns, and accident of caused by the electrical floods. Protection of equipment, the prevent damage to electrical machines, appliances, ring during the overload, and short circuit conditions. Preventions of fire hazards. Excess the current can overheat wire and cause the fire, so protective devices help avoid the electrical fires. Isolation of floods. What is calling about isolation of floods? Protective devices disconnected only the floodly sections of circuit to maintain safety and continuity. Overload protection, the protect the circuit when current exceed of the safe carrying capacity for a long time. Short circuit protection, protective devices quickly interrupt heavy flood current produced due to direct contact of conductors. Voltage fluctuations protection, the protect sensitive equipment from the damage caused by the high or low voltage conditions. Proper protection reduces system failure, minimize the in interruptions in electrical supply. Electrical system become a safer and more dependable with the current protective devices. See here, point protection against the earth leakage. Devices like ELCB or RCCB detect a leakage and current and prevent electrical shock, easy maintenance. Flood identification and isolation become easier, reducing repair time and maintenance cost, compliance with safety standards. Protective devices help electrical installations meet industrial and safety regulations. Various protective device and their functions. Fuse wire, glass cartridge fuse, HRC fuels, a kit cart fuse, MCB, MCCB, RCCB, ELCB, really. Devices. See here, devices and one liner detailed explanation. Fuse wire, glass cartridge, fuse wire, a low melting point metal wire that melts, breaks the circuit during the excess current flow. Glass cartridge fuse, a glass covered fuse with thin fuse element used TVs, stabilizer, and electronic devices. HRC fuse, high refuting capacity fuse, a strong ceramic fuse capable of safety and interrupting heavy short circuit. Current in power system, kit cord fuse, a reliable fuse mainly used in homes where the fuse wire can be replied easily after melting. MCB, mania, ma- miniature circuit breaker, a automatic switch that trips during overload or short circuit can be reset manually. MCCB, molded gas, molded case circuit breaker, a heavy duty circuit breaker used in industries for high current and adjustable protective settings. RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, a safety device that disconnects the supply when leakage flow to earth, preventing the electrical shock. Earth leakage circuit breaker, a protective device that sends earth leakage current and trips the circuit for human safety. Relay, an electromagnetic or electronic device that senses the plot and sends the signals to trip circuit breakers. Devices are main protection. Devices fuse, overload and short circuit. HRC fuse, heavy float current. MCB, overload and short circuit. MCCB, industrial high current protection. RCCB, electrical shock protection. ELCB, earth leakage protection. Relay, flood sensing and tripping. Future full form maintenance circuit breaker, modulus gas circuit breaker, residual current circuit breaker, earth leakage circuit breaker. Main function overload protection, high current protection, shock protection, and earth leakage protection. Current rating low current, high current, leakage current sensing. Applications ohms, high current, leakage current sensing. Applications ohms, industries, domestic safety, electric safety, rest of opinion, manual reset, manual reset. Highlight the protective devices. Protective devices ensure the electrical safety for human and equipment. They protect the circuit from overload, short circuit, and earth leakage. Fuse is simplest protective device used in electrical circuit. Fuse wire melts due to heating effect of current during the floods. A glass cartridge fuse is commonly used in electronic appliances. HRC fuse can withstand interrupt the high flood current safely. Kick-out fuse is a renewable fuse mainly used in domestic wiring. MCB automatically tips during the overload and short circuit conditions. MCB can be reset manually after tripping. MCCB is used for high current industrial applications. RCCB protects the woman from electric shock due to leakage current. ELCB detects earth leakage floods and disconnected the supply. Really act as a flood sensing current devices in the power system. Protective devices improve the system reliability and continuity of supply. They help prevent hazardous and equipment damage. Different types of electrician tools and their functions. Describe the various writing tools. Important highlights. Electrician tools are used to installation, testing, repair, and maintenance of electrical system. Industrial tools to provide the protection against the electric shock. Measuring the instrument helps in a accurate flood detection and testing. Cutting tools are used for wire cutting and industrial removal. Holding the tools helps in a gripping and bending wires. Testing tools ensure the safe and electrical operation. Proper use of tools improve the work efficiency and safety. See here electrician tool and function. A screwdriver used to tighten the loosen the screw in electrical equipment. Line tester used to check the presence electrical current in wire or socket. Combination pliers used to gripping, bending, twisting, and cutting wires. Side cutting plier used to cut the electrical wire and cables. Nose pillar used to handling the small wires working in a narrow space. Uh, crimp, Crimping tool used to join lugs and terminals to wire, from the electrical drill machine. Use it for drilling the holes in walls, wood, metals for writing, wiring work. Hammer. Use it for fitting the nails, clips, and supporting during the installation work. Measuring tape. Use it for measuring the wire length of installation distance. Hacksaw. Use it for cutting metal and PVC pipes. Spanner and wrench. Use it to tighten and loosen the nut and bolts. Multimeter. Use it to measure the voltage, current, and resistance. Mugger. Use it to measure the installation resistance of cable and equipment. Tongue tester. Use it to measure the current without disconnecting the circuit. Soldering iron. Use it to join electrical wires and electronic component using the solder. File. Use it to smooth and rough surface after cutting metal and pipes. Chisel. Use it for cutting and shaping the wall grooves during the see. State the procedure of care and maintenance of wiring the tools. Important highlights. Just I will go for the next subject. See here, look it here. Highlight the points and brief explanations. Lithium-ion battery. UPS. See, this is the identification of types and values of resistance color codes. B block, brown, red, orange,